Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to edit audio within CapCut. Okay, so I have an audio file right over here, and let's get right into it. To be able to change the volume in CapCut, you're going to go onto Basics and you're going to mess with the volume bar right here. And then to fade in, you press fade in as much as possible, and you can see right here, this black emote right here shows that it's fading in, and the more you do it, the more it's going to fade in. Same with fade out. And now we have loudness normalization, which does normalize the original loudness of the selected clip or clips to a standard value. I don't really use this as much, but I do use voice enhance for every single tutorial on this channel. I have a really nice mic, but still using voice enhance deletes all outside sounds other than my voice, and it makes my voice sound a lot better than it actually is. And I just press on it, and then I increase this bar all the way to 100%, and it really does magic. It's absolutely amazing. And then there's noise reduction, there's vocal isolation, but I feel as if enhanced voice kind of does both of these in a better way. And now we can go to voice changer, where it will actually change your voice. So that speaks for itself. And then we have the speed. I mean, that also speaks for itself. Increase the speed, the audio will go faster. And now, if you want to kind of edit the video without listening to the audio, you just go to the audio timeline right here, and you can press on it, and it will mute the entire audio file. But make sure that you have it selected when you export, because it will export without the audio if you have that selected. And that's basically how you edit audio on CapCut. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.